Alright, so this is just an informational video. Yes, I look a little rough today. So I'm going to tell you guys what happened. So, I love Santa Marta. Santa Marta is a beautiful city on the coast of Colombia. But, you know, things happen. Things happen in America. Things happen pretty much everywhere in the world. So last night, I went to dinner. I had one drink, only one. Walked to go get a taxi to go back to my hotel, and I went down the wrong street. I didn't see anybody, so I turned around, and right when I turned around, 3 guys are there. They charge me, surround me. One guy hits me on the head with a bottle. I start bleeding. It hits right back here. Starts bleeding all the way down my face, all the way over my shirt. They ripped my shirt here and took my chain. And I had it hidden inside my shirt, but they grabbed hard. Yeah, a lot of blood. You know, I'm not going to need stitches, which is great. But on a positive note, 2 things. Number 1, if you are in a well-lit area with a lot of people and you see an area that doesn't have a lot of roads, you got to immediately turn around. Because if you don't, you know, there's a reason why nobody's down there. You know what I mean? So, you know, and the robber thing, there are a lot of people here that are transient. And they rob people. But the thing is, I think everybody that lives in Colombia has had their phone taken at least once. All right. So it sucks, but I'm not going to need stitches. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's the next day. I've just got a big lump and a scab. But they just pop, surround, take your stuff. They took my wallet. They took 400,000 in pesos, which, you never want to carry a lot. Normally I have it in a Ziploc and I hide it. But yeah, it didn't happen this time. They took my phone. That's the only thing I'm worried about. This is my other phone, that doesn't have service yet. So, yeah, it sucks, but I'm not going to let it discourage me. You just got to be careful and always keep your eyes open. So this video is more for people to look and to understand the dangers of going to a poorer country, right? It's so beautiful, but you have to be careful. And if you go down a street where nobody's there, there's a reason for it. So use me as an example on how not to. And don't give papaya. Papaya is a term here in Colombia. The chain they took was hidden inside my shirt. I didn't have my phone out. I didn't flash money. I didn't buy drugs. I didn't buy hookers. But there's a lot of that here, by the way. But yeah, so I'm lucky. I'm healthy. I'm going to be fine. I just need to figure out what to do about my cell phone because everything was on that phone. So, yeah. On a good note, I had a delicious dinner, and that's where I was coming from, actually. Portos in Santa Marta, Colombia is absolutely delicious. So, either way, this is ArmyguyTravels. It sucks I have to do this video so soon in the journey, but it happens. And, you know, I didn't look what I was doing like I normally do. I'm normally very observant. And I wasn't drunk. I had one drink at dinner. So, oh well, it happens. I don't judge Colombia for it. I'm going to try to I'm going to the police department to do a report right now. Go get service on this phone, and then I'm going to go to the beach and enjoy my last day and a half here. So either way, I want you all to have a great day, And don't hesitate to come here. Just make sure you take a taxi or set up transportation if you're going to be out at night. During the day, you're going to be fine. At night, you have to be a little careful. Yeah, but either way, y'all have a great day, and this is Army Guy Autographs.